Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're doing a pamper routine, so I hope this video inspires you because self-care is so important and essential to your overall health and quality of life. I promise you by taking action, you will feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and accomplished. So let's get started. So I'm first gonna start off with our oral health, and what we're doing here is we're gonna floss, and I'm using the Super Floss. I have a metal retainer in the middle of my teeth, so this works perfectly. And then I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth using the Crest 3D whitening and my electric toothbrush. I also like to go in with a tongue scraper, and then I also like to go with the TheraBreath mouthwash, and we're gonna do a quick rinse. This, I think you leave in for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm just gonna move into our skincare, and this is the Hydrating Cream to Foam CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. And I really like to get this one nice and deep into the skin, and then I like to rinse it and pat my face dry. Now I'm gonna go in with a shave oil because we are doing some facial shaving. So this will just help soothe and reduce any inflammation caused by the shaving and just help moisturize the skin. So now I'm gonna go in with my dermaplane tool, and I'm gonna go ahead and get myself a close shave. This will help with removing any unwanted hair, debris, any excess oil, dead skin cells, and it also helps with getting a smoother application when you apply your makeup. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pluck my eyebrows. It helps me keep the shape, and I can really keep up with it every week by keeping up with my plucking routine, and the hair doesn't grow back too thick, or I don't lose the shape as often as I would if I was to wax my eyebrows or thread them. So I enjoy plucking them every couple of days. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this blemish tool. It will help with any whiteheads, blackheads. I didn't really find any right now, and I only really do it every so often. So now I'm just gonna take my hair out so that we can get ready for our shower. Now this is my new favorite shampoo. This is the Monday Volume Shampoo, and it's suitable for straight to thin hair. It just gives me an overall nice lather on the scalp, and I really love the way it cleans my hair, and also it has such a nice fragrance. Now on my regular day-to-day basis, I do match my shampoo with my conditioner, but today we are doing a masking on our hair. So I'm gonna go in with the coconut oil hair mask by Oleology. This will help to give us a deep hydration, moisturize our hair, restore its vibrancy, and repair any damage. So I really like this, and you guys, the smell of this one, oh my gosh, I love it. For body wash, I'm using the Olay Strawberry and Mint body wash, and this will help restore hydration. It helps to really lather on the skin nicely and just get a nice foam to the skin so you feel like you're really cleaning the skin. I don't know about you guys, but I love to change up my body wash all the time. I just love to try new ones. But as you can see, I like to also go in with a back scrubber as well. For feminine wash, I'm trying the Summer's Eve Island Splash, and I love the scent of it. This will help with removing any odor-causing bacteria, gentle on the skin, and it makes you feel nice and refreshed. Now I'm going in with the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. This will help to exfoliate the skin, leaving it nice and soft and supple, and this will really help with softening the skin just before we get a nice close shave. Now I'm going to go in with the Satin Care Sensitive Skin Shaving Cream. I don't really have a specific razor that I use. I just use whatever's on sale at the store. So yeah, I don't really pick a particular one. Now I'm just gonna finish off with this foot grater, and this will just help with our calluses and just getting rid of that dry, dead skin all around our feet and just leave our feet feeling nice and soft. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse everything out, all the conditioner that's left in my hair, and we're gonna rinse our whole body, and that is our shower. Now right into a body care. This is the Cocoa Butter Nivea Body Lotion, and I love to use this one on a daily basis. It smells so good and it leaves my skin feeling super hydrated. So I like to put this all over the body. Now I'm gonna go in with the Eye Sheet Mask by Garnier. This will help smoothen lines, depuff the eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Mask by The Body Shop. This combo, you guys, oh my gosh, it felt so good. The eye mask was nice and cooling, and then the face mask was just, you could just feel it was detoxing my skin. I just felt like this was the perfect combo to pair up together, and I will definitely do this one again. So I'm gonna leave those two things on the skin for about 15 minutes or so, and we're gonna head into my room and I'm gonna light up some candles, and I'm just gonna create a nice, calm, and peaceful space. I am going to read for a little bit, so I'm just gonna create a nice little vibe in here. I'm also gonna set up my diffuser and put in some essential oils. This is the Unwinding Essential Oil, which is gonna help us relax. It's gonna also help us create that nice and relaxing and peaceful space. So also got this nice candle set, which I'm gonna light up and also create the nice space. So yeah, I'm a little extra here, but I think this is super important with just having a nice peaceful space for yourself. Now I'm ready to take off my mask. This felt so nice. Once I took it off, I could just feel my skin was nice and soothing. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my face mask with a washcloth. And then we're gonna do our hair real quick, and I'm gonna use the John Frieda Volume Lift Thickening Spray. This is just gonna go all over our hair, and it's just gonna help us when we blow dry our hair just to create that volume and lift. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run the blow dryer through my hair, nothing too crazy. Now I noticed my lips were peeling a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with the Mango Lip Scrub. This is by The Body Shop. And then once they're nice and soft, I rinse them, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply this lip mask. This is the Pineapple Lip Mask by Woolsey's. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take care of these nails. So I went ahead and did the left side first, just because that's really hard for me to do. So I'd rather just get that one out of the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the right hand, and I'm gonna prep the nails just before I apply my press-on nails. once I'm done applying the press-on nails, I'm gonna go ahead and file them to the desired shape and then also trim them as well to the desired length. And then we're gonna go in with some gel polish. So now that we're ready for gel polish, I'm gonna go in with the Nail Reserve base coat, and I'm gonna do 1 coat of that and then cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm going in with the Vyshine 1325. This is a beautiful pink color, and I like to go in with the gel polish for either 2 to 3 coats, just depending on the vibrancy and like if it's transparent or not. And then I'm just gonna clean up the nail and then cure that again for 60 seconds. And then finishing off with the Nail Reserve top coat. This is a no wipe top coat, so we don't have to wipe the nail after, which is perfect. And then once all our nails are done, I'm gonna go in with some cuticle oil and we're gonna hydrate the cuticles, and that's our nails. I love the way that they turned out. They were nice and cute and simple. Now I'm ready for a relaxing bath, and I'm gonna go ahead and set up these candles. And then I'm going to start the water, and we're gonna add in some bubble bath. This is the Very Cherry bubble bath. And then I'm gonna add in these magnesium flakes, and this is gonna help with aiding our relaxation, relieving any joint pain. And then I'm also adding in Epsom salt, and this is going to help with relaxing the body and our muscles, and then also help with soothing our skin. I like to be extra with my bath, so I like to go all out and just really create that nice and calm ambiance. So I'm going to also add in this bath bomb, and this is also going to help with hydrating our skin. And then I'm going to put on a nice and relaxing playlist so that we can really just relax our mind and just really focus on the present. Now I'm gonna go in with the Clinique Clarifying Lotion, and it's just an everyday exfoliator, and it will help with prepping the skin just before you moisturize. And then I'm gonna go in with the Niacinamide Serum. And then the Hyaluronic Acid Serum as well. These two are literally my favorite. They help with hydration, brightening the skin, and just giving an overall even skin tone. And then I'm gonna also go in with the Sleeping Mask by e.l.f. This is one of my favorite masks, and it really hydrates the skin. And then finishing off with the Pineapple Lip Mask. Now I'm gonna head to my room, and again, I'm gonna put the diffuser on, and this time I'm using the Sleep Essential Oil. This will help with a good night's sleep. And then I'm gonna light up some candles because I will be staying up for a little bit and just relaxing in my bed. But before I do that, I need to finish off with some body lotion, and this is the Coconut Body Butter by The Body Shop. And this just makes my skin feel nice and soft, and it's nice and thick, so it's super hydrating on the skin. And then of course I'm gonna finish off with some oral care, but that is pretty much the end of my pamper routine, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.